Hello guys, welcome to FinTech Space with Timbis, your gateway to mastering the intricacies of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Kindly subscribe to this channel and put on your notification bell for updates. Ensure that you like our videos after watching so that YouTube can recommend to others as well. Do enjoy your stay on this channel. Stay tuned.
All right, friends, you're welcome back to FinTech Space. So, based on popular demands on how do we go about those solving the daily combo, so I've decided to at least on a regular basis to be releasing videos on how to actually go about sorting out your daily combo. All right, so in this video, what you're going to do right now, this is the combo for today, just as you have it on the screen. This is the daily combo for today. So, and as I've done in the previous video, so you can check. So I'm using Twitter in this case. So I just searched for Hamster Kombat on the search tool here. So once you're done searching, so just you come down to click on latest. You click on latest once you're done searching. So, and just as you have it here, so just scroll down and then you can see this. So this today's combination. So you see a lot of people. So right. So now let's quickly get it done. Let's quickly get it done. So click on mine. Click on mine. And then we now have this combo for us to sort out. So where's the first one? The first one is under the market. So this is the market. You have the market here. Click on the market. So now where is staking? Just right here. So I've already unlocked staking to level 16. So in your case, it might be level 2, 5, 7, whichever one. So for the sake of this video, I'll be spending 5.8. So let's me click on it. So 5.8 to actually purchase 1.77K. So although it's not economically viable for me in this case, so if I want to do it, I might decide not to buy. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to purchase it. So just click on go ahead. So combo one has been sorted. Combo one sorted already. So what's the second one? Just as you have it on the screen here. The second one is on specials. Is on specials. Is under specials. So look for specials. Special is here. The fourth subcategories. So now scroll up until you find YouTube Gold button. YouTube Gold button. So you're looking for YouTube Gold button. Let's look for it together. YouTube Gold button. Let's look for it. Let's look for it. Yes, I have it here. YouTube Gold button. So click on that also and purchase it. So daily combo 2 is sorted already. So now what's the third one? The third one is license Bangladesh, which is under legal. So we have legal. Legal is the third category. So click on it and then you scroll up to find Bangladesh, license Bangladesh. This is license Bangladesh. So now what do? You just click on it and you buy. Now this is the logic. I spent almost 6 million coins to purchase just 1,770 profits per hour at that time. Now you can see I'm only spending just like 1/5 or 1/6 of what I used to buy 1,770 to buy 6,430K coins. Do you see the calculations right now? So that's why I say that there must be perfect calculations. You must be able to spend just like you taking your money to the market. Do you get it? All right, so let's go ahead. So just as that, all the three done, 2, 3, we are good to go. So just click on what? Take the price, just a straight forward. So that ends it. That ends it. That ends it. So we are done with today's daily combo. So now let's try and see if the daily cipher is ready. Let's try and see. So click on your exchange and click on end part tab. Click on it 3 times. So right now, okay, so what's the daily word for today? What's the daily word for today? This should be for yesterday. Do you get it? Because it's 6 hours to go. So now let's go back and search. Let's go back and search. Let's go back and search. So we are going to search for Hamster Kombat daily cipher. Daily cipher. So we are looking for yesterday's horn. So what's yesterday's horn? All right. So Hamster Combat for yesterday is actually pump, pump, pump. So what are we going to do now? So now we've already switched to daily cipher just as you have it on the screen. So pump is PUMP. So what is P? P is what? dot dash dash dot. So let's try it out. Dot dash dash dot P. So what is U? Dot dot dash dot dot dash U. What is hem? Dash 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 dash. So dash is you holding on your screen. Tap and hold. Dot is just tap once. So P again, dot dash dash dot dot dash dash dot. Exactly. The code is cracked. You are a real detective. And what? Take your prize and go. So that ends this video. So until maybe tomorrow again, I'm going to come up again and give you the next daily cipher and the daily combo. Watch out for the next video. All right, you have a nice day. Bye for now.